So your water heater is underneath the stairs. It's funny, there's carpet in there, which leads me to believe there was carpet out here. However, there's no drip pan in there to catch water if it ever leaked. And in the bathroom, the door pushes in, but I just happened to notice that they recaulked their bathroom, and it doesn't appear bad, but it was definitely a do-it-yourself, because that's pretty glopped up, and they got a space. Just pointing out everything and anything that I see with my eye. Let's go upstairs.